We have to complete the chapter, no? The one which we are already doing, playing with numbers.
Acha, I thought like we completed it. Okay.
Last part of it is still left.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll just wait for a few minutes so that who wants to join can join, then we'll start.
I'm sorry, like my brother was laughing.
Okay, good evening, children. Let's start.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, children, we were doing playing with numbers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And in playing with numbers, we were doing LCM and HCF. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Highest common factor, lowest common factor. Divesh, you were absent for the class, but I hope you must have seen the recordings. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we'll continue. Now today we will be doing word problems based on HCF and LCM. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
The method will be the same. There's nothing different. The way you have to find HCF and LCM. But only thing is how do we use it in our daily life. The word problem. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Okay, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
3.5.
this is what we did in the previous class.
Yes, ma'am.
Found the HCF and LCMs. Okay.
Last. Yes, ma'am.
And now we will be continuing with the word problems. Some problems on HCF and LCM. The statement sums. Okay, let's see. So we will do some questions of these. Okay. And some you will be given for homework. I will mark some questions from this exercise only for you as a homework, right? So that you also practice some questions at home. And we will do a little bit of revision of the previous, the prime factorization or whatever, the previous things. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And if you are not able to do, then we'll discuss in the next class. But you must try some yourself. Okay.
Yeah.
And for your this week's objective test, you will be having questions from this chapter. This is your syllabus for the objective test.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now, Divesh, read the first question.
Okay, ma'am. Reenu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weights 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer and the exact number of times.
So did you understand anything of the question?
No, ma'am.
Reenu purchases 2 bags. Read the question again. See, in the exam also, when you do not understand the question, you must read the question again and again. And read it carefully. Read with understanding. Reenu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. Okay, she bought 2 bags. The weight of those bags were 75 and 69 kgs. Now find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. Now you have to find the maximum weight which can weigh the fertilizer exact number of times. That means there should not be any remainder. Okay. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
In that case, what will you find? It's saying find the maximum value of the weight. Maximum weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times, which can value the weight of these
LCM?
two
LCM, ma'am.
exact number of times, and you have to find the maximum weight. So what will you do?
LCM.
HCF?
Why LCM? It's saying maximum value of the weight, exact number of times.
Ma'am, HCF.
Ma'am, HCF.
HCF, highest common factor. Anything that divides exact number of times becomes the factor. So,
Yes, ma'am.
and maximum weight, so that becomes the HCF. Okay. So, how will you do this?
First, we need to take we need to
Yes.
write the statements. Then we need to take
You see,
HCF of
always the
25
statement
and
sums are done. Speak less, listen more. Always the weight statement sums are should be done with the statement, right?
Yeah.
So first you will write the weight of the bags, 75 kg, 69 kg. Then maximum value of weight will be HCF of 75 and 69.
Yes,
Is that?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you will find the HCF of 75 and 69 by whichever method you can find out. Either you find with the factors and take out the highest common factor, or you can find with that grid form, the way that we have done division method like this. Okay, so find the HCF of this. Quickly find. Now I can see that both these numbers you do. This is how you will write your first statement. Weight of the bag is equal to 75 kg and 69 kg. Then your next statement will be maximum value of weight will be what? HCF of 65 and 69. Okay, then you work out the HCF. What is the HCF?
1 minute. 20.
Hello. Yes, found the HCF?
Ma'am, it's 3.
It's 3.
Yes, ma'am. It's 3.
Yes, ma'am.
So you shouldn't take so much of time in finding HCF.
Okay.
So HCF is 3. That means how much is the maximum weight which can measure it exact number of times? That is 3 kgs. So in your statement, you will write the full statements that the maximum, you will write from your maximum value of the weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times is equal to 3 kgs. You get
Yeah.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, those who have joined now, Ritesh and Soumya is there. Did you understand? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And now children, those who are sending me their test papers on the WhatsApp, I will not accept your test papers on the WhatsApp. Okay?
Yeah,
Please
ma'am.
put it on the WhatsApp. Post it on the WhatsApp itself.
Ma'am, but like I didn't.
Whatever it is, whatever what was the reason, you have to post it on the WhatsApp. Okay?
Ma'am, but it's not allowing, right?
But even then, you don't have to post it on the WhatsApp.
Okay,
It
ma'am.
has to be on the WhatsApp only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So always post on the WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am.
I will not be accepting the papers if you post it on the WhatsApp. Any child
Okay, ma'am.
will be marked absent then.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
The next question. Hridesh, read the next question. Question number 2. Hridesh Majhi, read next question. Soumya, read the next question.
Ma'am,
Yes, read the next question number 2.
3 boys stepped off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter, and 77 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps?
So did you understand the question, Soumya? What is the question asking us to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, explain. Tell me what we have to do in this question. Others also. I'll ask others also. Now 3 boys step off together. Yes, Soumya, explain me. What did you understand from this? Soumya? Just tell me the question. What is the question in your
Ma'am,
own
your
words?
voice is low.
Hello?
Ma'am,
Hello, ma'am.
like,
Yes, tell me, explain me the question.
Yes, ma'am. So it's basically asking, it's telling us that 3 boys step off together from the same spot. The first boy's step measures 63 centimeter. The second one is 70 centimeter, and the third one is 77 centimeter. So for
Yes.
finding the minimum distance, we have to find LCM of 63, 70, and 77.
Yes, good. So what is the minimum distance, right? So we have to find the LCM of these. Minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's do now. What will be your first statement, Soumya? Tell me the first statement.
The first statement will be
Your first sentence of the question, which carries the first statement of the question becomes your first step. Okay, the first thing that is given in the question, okay, that becomes your first step. Yes, Divesh, you tell me what will be the first statement.
length of step measures of 3 boys.
Exactly. The steps taken by 3 boys, that is 63, 70, and 77 centimeters. Okay, Charvik, what will be the next statement? Unmute yourself first.
Okay. Can you tell the first statement which
Tell me the second statement. First already is Dinesh has said.
okay. The first okay. What will be the minimum distance where the three boys
The
will take?
statement is not a question. You have to tell me the statement. In the
Okay.
statement, you will never write what.
Okay. Uh, Wait a second.
You will tell me
The
what purpose we have to do.
minimum distance where the three boys
Yes, for that, what will you write then?
like the three boys sorry
For the minimum distance, what
the
will you write?
the minimum distance where three boys step like continuously.
Your next statement will be LCM of 63, 70, and 77.
Mom, but that should come next, no, mom.
What?
Mom, that should come next, no, mom.
Where next?
Uh,
There is no next.
okay, mom.
Your first statement should be the steps taken by the boys. Next statement will be, then we have to find the LCM. So the LCM of 63, 70, and 77 is equal to, then you find the LCM. Okay? Find the LCM of 63, 70, and 77. In your notebook, please write the steps. I'll be checking your notebooks now. Write the first statement, then write the second statement, and then find the LCM. Others, please put on your videos. Everyone, keep your videos on. Advika, Ridesh, keep your videos on. Soumya, write the statement and find the LCM of the three numbers. Please write in your notebooks and I'll be checking your notebooks now. You will have to show me on the screen. Advika, tell me what is the LCM?
Mom, can you give me a minute?
Okay.
And can I say the LCM?
Okay, tell.
6,930 centimeter, which is same as
Yeah, I also got it.
69 meter and 3 centimeter.
6,930.
30.
Okay. So that means all this is in centimeters. That means this much distance all have to cover, so that they cover the distance in complete steps. Okay. So your last statement will be, please write down your last statement after finding the LCM. After writing LCM is equal to 6,930 centimeter, please write the next statement. The minimum distance. Okay. The minimum distance each should cover. The minimum distance each should cover, so that all can cover the distance in complete steps. So that all can cover the distance in complete steps is 6,930 centimeters. This should be your final answer statement. Okay. You got it, children? First was the statement. Okay. The number of steps taken by the boys. Then your next statement was the LCM of the three numbers. Then you found the LCM. Then your last statement will be your final steps, which gives the answer. That the minimum number of steps covered, minimum distance that should be covered is 6,930 centimeters. You get it? This is the way you should present your answer. Okay. Now we'll do this one. Let's see. We have done first, second. Now we'll do fourth one. Determine the smallest three-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8, and 12. Soumya is there? Soumya? Soumya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Soumya, read this question number 4 and explain me what we will be doing in this.
Determine the smallest three-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8, and 12. Ma'am, we have to find the LCM of 6, 8, and 12.
Yes. Okay. Yes, do. Then?
And then after that, the smallest three-digit number is 100.
Mom, I
So
got
to
it.
find the number, we have to
Ma'am, I got
divide.
Mom, I got it. It's Mom, can
She's speaking, no? Let her.
sorry, ma'am.
Yes, Soumya?
So we have to divide the number 100 by 24 because the LCM of 6, 8, and 12 is 24.
Good.
So, which is therefore is 120.
Which is therefore 100 and what?
20.
Okay. Please do it in your notebook and show me. Others also will show me the notebooks. Show me where you have done.
Mom, actually, I did it in my mind.
I cannot see your mind, no?
Okay, mom. I'll do
And I
it.
had already told you I'll be checking the notebooks. Yes. Soumya, show me your work. Show me the notebook, Soumya.
Yes. Ma'am, can you see it?
One second. Soumya. Okay. Soumya, just bring it more closer and exactly in front of the camera.
Ma'am,
It's
it is in
like
front of the camera.
hold it straight. Now I can see. Bring it a little closer. Your handwriting is looking too small. Okay, what have you, after finding the LCM, what have you done?
After finding the smallest digit number, which is 100, to find the number, we have to divide 100 by 24. 100 is equals to
100 by 100 divide by
24.
100 divide by 24 you have done.
Yes, ma'am, because the LCM of 6, 8, and 12 is 24.
Okay, then what did you get?
So 100 is equals to 24 into 4 plus 4 is equals to 120.
I didn't get the last part what you have done. See, last smallest 3-digit number you told me you got 24. Then what? Who is this? Divesh? Yes, tell me.
Okay, ma'am. The LCM is 24 and the smallest 3-digit number is 100. So when we divide 100 by 24, we get the remainder as 4. So we need to subtract 4 from 24 and add it to the 100. So the answer is 120.
Okay.
Can you see my work?
Bring it more closer.
Ma'am, done.
Okay.
Can you see?
Okay, Divesh, I can see. I've seen your work, Divesh. Okay, good. Good, Divesh.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, Charvik, I can see your work. Good. Okay, now see, children.
Ma'am, now only I checked the screen. Ma'am, what you did, I just did that only. I didn't see yours, but I just did the same way which you did.
Okay, children, look here. See, after finding the LCM of 24, what you have done, that's also correct. Now this, I got the LCM of the 3 numbers as 24. Now I can say that the smallest 3-digit number, I want to find the smallest 3-digit number, which is a multiple of 24. Is it? So I just try with finding out multiples of 24. 24 into 2, I got 48. So 24 into 3 is 72. Just by trying, wherever I get the smallest 3-digit number in the multiples of 24. So the least number that I'm getting them as a multiple of 24 is 120. Okay? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's see this 5th question. Now, Advika, read the next question number 5. Advika, read
ma'am.
number 5.
Determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10, and 12.
It's not determine, determine. Okay, determine the greatest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 8, 10, and 12. So in this case, what will you do? You have to find the greatest 3-digit number. So what will you do here?
Ma'am, we are going to find the HCF.
No. It seemed like the previous question only. But only thing in that case, you had to find the smallest number. In this, you have to find the greatest 3-digit number,
Okay.
which is exactly divisible by 8, 10, and 12. So in this case also, you will find the LCM first, and that same LCM, what you get, you will see the multiples of that, which gives you the greatest 3-digit number. Okay. First, find the LCM of this 8, 10, and 12. Tell me the LCM of 8, 10, and 12, children.
Mom, 1 minute. Two, 8, 3, 24 into 5.
Divesh, what is the LCM?
I'm still finding.
Four, 8, 24, and 5. Mine again got 25. Sorry, 120 as LCM.
120 is the LCM. Okay, everyone got the same?
Yes, ma'am. I also got 120 as the LCM.
Okay, now you will find the multiples of 120. Now, which multiple of 120 will give you the greatest 3-digit number? So that means in this case, when we had to find the lowest number, we started multiplying with small numbers. Now we have to find the greatest 3-digit number. So now let's try
Ma'am,
with
120
biggest
in
number. We'll try with 9 first. Let's do. Okay. 9 to the 18. Okay, then it gives me 108. So this is a 4-digit number.
Mom, it will be 960.
120 into 8 equals to 960.
960. Very good. So this is a 3-digit number and it's the greatest one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Advika, Soumya, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You understood? First we found the LCM of this. Then same like in the previous question where we had to find the smallest 3-digit number. In this case, we had to find the greatest 3-digit number. This is the only difference. So for smallest numbers, we tried with smaller digits multiplied with smaller multiples. For greater digits, we tried with greater ones. Okay. And wherever we got the greatest 3-digit number, so that's the answer. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, now let's see this question number 6. Divesh, please read question number 6.
Okay, ma'am. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 22 seconds, and 108 seconds, respectively.
22, 72.
48, 72, and 108.
Yes. Yes.
If they change simultaneously at 7
Simultaneously. If they change simultaneously.
at 7 a.m., at what time will they change simultaneously again?
Yes. Okay. So it's saying if they change simultaneously means in their regular course, simultaneously at 7 a.m., at what time will they change simultaneously again together? Okay. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossings is 48 crossing change after every 48 seconds. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It changes after every 48 seconds. So that means at one crossing, it's changing after 48 seconds. At other crossing, it's changing after 72 seconds. And at the third crossing, it's changing after 108 seconds. Okay. So if they change simultaneously and they keep on changing, so a time comes when they change all at the same time, that is at 7 a.m. So what is the next time? At what time will they change simultaneously again? You understood the question?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this case, what will you do? See, you have two things with
Then
you.
should we
Highest
find the
common
LCM?
factor. Yes, you have highest common factor, you have lowest common factor. If you think of highest common factor, will it give you the answer?
No.
No. Is it? So just, so you will find the LCM of this, right? So please find the LCM. Your first statement will be what? Please write the first statement in your notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Changing time of traffic lights at different crossing points is 48 seconds, 72 seconds, 108 seconds. Yes, what is the LCM? Advika, tell me the LCM.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, tell me the LCM, children. Hello? Hello?
Ma'am, it's 432. Ma'am, it will change after 432 seconds simultaneously.
Are you all getting the same LCM? Yes, others also? Are you getting the same answer? Hello?
Yes, ma'am, I got 432.
Yes, you should be quick in your work. Okay, do a lot of practice.
Ma'am,
Okay, so 432 seconds. Okay, this is the LCM. Now that means the lights are changing after every 432 seconds. So when you convert this 432 seconds into minutes, that means after every 432 seconds, after 7 a.m., what time, when will the lights change simultaneously again? So that means after 7 a.m., 432 seconds. So 432 seconds means, if you convert it to minutes, what will it be? 7 6 are 42. So that means 7 minutes, 12 seconds. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 7 minutes, 12 seconds. 7 minutes is 42, no? Okay.
Yes.
420 seconds. So 7 minutes, 12 seconds.
7.12.
7.12 minutes. Okay. Like this also you can write. This is minutes. Okay. So that means 7 minutes, 12 seconds. So after 7 a.m., the lights will change again. That is after 7 minutes, 12 seconds. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope you have understood this. Have all understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone has a doubt in this? So far, whatever questions we have, anyone has doubt in any of the questions? Any
No.
child? Any child? Anyone has any doubt in anything, you can ask. So
No,
far,
ma'am.
whatever questions we have done,
Ma'am.
Soumya, Divesh, Ridesh.
No, ma'am.
Ridesh is not responding. I think he's not there. And then Charvik.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay. Let's move further. Okay. I'm leaving this 7th question. I think you must try this. Okay, chalo. Will do. Okay. Let's do 8th question. Find. Okay, I want somebody else to read. Ridesh Maji is there. Ridesh is there. Not there.
Number.
Okay. Advika, you read question number 8.
Okay, ma'am. Find the least number which when divided by 6, 15, and 18. Leave remainder 5 in each case.
So the least number. So we have to find the least number. When we divide by this, it should leave the remainder 5 in each case. So whenever we divide with these, it should leave 5 as a remainder. So what will you do in this case? What will you do in this case? Which is the
Ma'am, we
least
should
number?
find the HCF and add 5 to it.
Which the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leaves remainder 5. You will find, look here, you will find the LCM. Okay, of 6, 15 and 18, please find the LCM. Whatever LCM you get, you will add 5 to it.
Ma'am, 90.
90. Now you add 5 to 90. So that is the required number.
95.
Okay, so that is the required number. Okay. You understood this? So 95
ma'am.
is the required number. When you divide this by 6, 15 and 18, it leaves the remainder 5. Okay, next one. Soumya. Soumya is there. Soumya, read the next question. Read the next question, Soumya.
Yes, ma'am. Find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is the factor of
Question,
the other.
no, the 9th question one, 9th question.
Sorry.
Find
Find
question
the
number
small-
9.
Find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24, and 32.
Okay. So same way as we had done the previous question number 4 and 5. It's same like these two. The smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18,
Ma'am, we need
24.
to find LCM.
So do the LCM. Please find the LCM of 18, 24 and 32. Find the LCM of these three numbers and then take the multiples of the LCM. And wherever you get the smallest 4 digit, that will be your answer.
Thank you. 16, 32, 128.
Anyone found the LCM?
Ma'am, 218.
218. Okay,
18.
check again. Check again.
Ma'am, I got 288.
And
Yes.
is it 500?
No, beta, it's not 500. Check again. Check your calculations again. The correct LCM is 288. Check your calculations again, okay?
Mom, but I got like 1152.
Okay. So the LCM is 288. Now you will find the multiples of 288, which can give you the smallest 4-digit number. So I'll just try with, let's see, if I try this with 288 into 3, if I take the multiple of this, okay, this will give me 4, 6.
Mom, but it told like smallest 4-digit number, no, ma'am.
So we are finding that only, no? So
Okay,
this
ma'am.
will give me 2, 5, 1, and 1.
Acha, ma'am, actually I got LCM as
Okay, so when you
3.
multiply 288 by 4, you get this as the smallest 4-digit number, of which 288 is a multiple, is a factor. Okay,
Oh, I got
Children?
that the 4-digit like smallest wala.
So it's 1152.
Ma'am,
the
but
smallest-
as the LCM I got 384.
That's not correct.
Ma'am, but I got it as.
Then how did you get this?
Ma'am, I did just into 3 with it.
Check your calculations again. Okay, children.
But ma'am, but the answer is correct.
But your approach is not correct, no? You are saying you got your LCM something else.
Ma'am, but I
Check it
Ma'am,
again.
okay.
Okay, children. So when you find the multiples of 288, wherever you get the smallest 4-digit number, that gives you your required smallest 4-digit number. Okay. Yes, Advita, you are saying something?
Ma'am, Asha was saying that for the test you told that the chapter playing with numbers is there for UT on Sunday.
Yes. Yes.
But in my textbook, no chapter is there like playing with numbers.
In your book. So never mind. But we have been doing all this. You can review the lectures. We have done all the exercises of this.
Which book is
You
following?
can do. I'm following the NCRT book.
Okay.
Prescribed by the CBSE board.
NCRT book will have.
Otherwise also, you see this book. See, I have opened this book in front of you. Okay, you can just scroll down and see. You can see the lectures, whatever we have done. Just find out these topics in your books. Okay, HCF, LCM, the prime factorization. Then what did we have earlier? Divisibility rules.
Okay.
Okay, Advita, you can go through these topics in any of the books. Books does not matter. Okay, the topic should be there, like common factors and common multiples. These topics should be there in your book. Okay, whichever topics are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So that's what we want. Topic should be there. Okay, and practice sums of those topics. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Exam questions
yeah,
are
yeah.
never restricted to one book. Exam questions can come from any book. Okay, the main thing is that you should understand the concept which is behind the question.
Ma'am,
How to
NCERT
find the
or
how to find the LCM and how to find the prime factors, divisibility rule, co-prime numbers, twin prime numbers, and all those exercises. Some you can review the previous lectures, what we have done, the previous whatever classes we had on this topic. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so let's continue. Okay, now, which is the next question? Find the LCM of the following numbers. Oh, these are direct questions. 9 and 4, 12, 5. Okay. Observe the common property in the obtained LCM. Is LCM the product of two numbers in each case? Okay. Now see, children, what this question is telling you. Now, when you find the LCM of 9 and 4, just for example, we are finding the LCM of 9 and 4. Please find the LCM quickly. LCM of 9 and 4.
Ma'am, 9 and
4.
4. Okay.
Ma'am, 32.
Is there anything common between 9 and 4?
Ma'am,
Nothing
36.
common? Nothing
Ma'am,
common.
36, 36.
So nothing common, no? So what we do, we will not do, we will just multiply the numbers together. 2 2s is 4. So 9 still comes like this. 2 1s is 2. Then 9 still comes like this. 3, then 3, 1. Okay, so this is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this is 4 into 9. 2 2s is 4. And 4 3s is 12. 12 3s is 36. So the LCM is what? 36. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
LCM is 36. Now you observe that this LCM is the product of these two numbers. If I multiply 9 with 4, these two numbers, the same numbers which were given in the question, 9 into 4, the product is 36. Is it? That means LCM is the product of the numbers. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You understood that?
Yes, ma'am.
So the same thing you can do in any of these questions. You can try with these questions also. Suppose if I take a number 15 and 4 and I take the LCM of 15 and 4. So 2, 2, 2, 1, 15. I take down as it is 15 here.
Ma'am, 60.
So this is 3, 3 5s, then 5. Okay. So when I multiply this, what is the LCM? 12 5s, it's 60, right? So that means when I multiply 15 into 4, I get 60, and which is the LCM, or which 60, which is the LCM also. Okay, so that means LCM is the product of the two numbers. LCM is the product of the two numbers. Product of numbers. Okay. Are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
getting? Are you understanding this? You can try with these two also. Okay, 12 5 and 6 5. Okay, let's do question number 11. Find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is a factor of the other. Now it's saying here, in this case, we have to find the LCM of these numbers. In this one number is a factor of the other. 5 is a factor of 20. 6 is a factor of 18. 12 is a factor of 48. 9 is a factor of 45.
Ma'am,
Okay.
it's
What do you
That
observe?
means one
in the
number is
result of-
factor of another number. The greater number will be the
Exactly.
LCM.
Yes, exactly. So in this case, what are you observing? What do you observe in the result? One number is a factor of the
First one LCM will be 20.
Yes. So
ma'am, second will be 18.
yes,
Third.
exactly. Listen. So whenever the numbers where one number is a factor of the other numbers, so LCM is the greater number. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now. Okay. So in this case also the LCM is 20, LCM will be 18, LCM will be 48, LCM will be 45. Okay, if you want to try, you can try also.
Okay,
Just
ma'am.
take the multiple LCM of 9 and 45. You can check here. 9 ones are 9.
It's 45.
So 5 ones. So 9 into 5 will give me 49.
45.
Okay. Okay. Any doubts in this? This is your exercise is complete here. And with this, your chapter also gets completed. Do you have any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Any child? Soumya, Advika?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No.
Now see this, I had left 1 or 2 questions for you to try.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's try
Ma'am,
this.
so it is the homework.
I had given you this as a homework. But if you don't have a book, then I'll write this. I'll just post it in the Google, this resource tab. Okay.
Come on.
Question number 3 and 7. Okay. I'll write this for you in the resource tab. You can find after some time. Okay. You can check out the homework after some time. I'll give you these 2 questions. Okay. Thank you for today, children. Hello.
Okay, ma'am.
The class time is over. Thank you for today.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Keep practicing.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.